aircraft maintenance engineers. No planes take off without you. Want to be the brains and the hands behind every safe flight? Canada needs over 5,300 aircraft maintenance engineers, or AMEs, by 2025, but is only producing about 600 graduates per year, according to Transport Canada and Elevate Aviation. From avionics to composite structures, the world needs skilled technicians to keep advanced aircraft flying safely. These roles aren't just jobs, they are missions. My name is Julien Martinson, aviation career strategist and author. I help future AMEs turn curiosity into career power. Get under the skin of the machines that move the world. Explore your path at www.julianmartinson.com.